Hi, hello children, how are you all? Welcome back to my class. Today in this class, we are going to continue our same lesson of maths, that is addition. So open page number 16, chapter number 2, addition. So children, already we have started this lesson. Even we have solved the revision exercise part. Then we have solved first main from the exercise 2.1. If you have not seen that videos yet, you can get the links in my description box. Just check it out. Okay, so now let's today start with the second main of this lesson, that is find the sum of each of the following. So whatever the first main you have solved, it was addition without carrying, and here whatever you are going to solve now, that is with carrying. Okay, so already you know what is without carrying, with carrying, which you have learned in the third, even in the fourth standard, isn't it? Yes, so let's start with the first example here. You can see 36,907 plus 53,613. You have to add both the numbers. So here I have written the same example. Yes, you can see here 36,907 plus 53,613, right? Yes. So first of all, we have to arrange these both numbers in the where? Yes, in the place value chart. Okay. So let's arrange it. So first we have to take the first number. This is first number and this is second number. So here, which is number is there in the unit place? 7, right? So always you have to start from the unit place. So that will from the right side. Okay. So for make it little bit easy, so I'll write just here unit 10, 100, 1000, and this is last one is 10,000. Okay. So same way here. This 7. So the 7, it is in the unit place. So where I have to write? Here. Okay. So I'll write here. And here why we leave one line means to write the carry. As I told you, whatever the sums we are going to solve today, that is with carry. And whatever we have solved in the previous class, that is without carrying. So no need to leave one line here. Okay. But here you have to leave one line that to the carry. Okay. So here 7. Next one is comes 10. So which number is in the 10th place? That is 0. Right. So I'll write 0 here. Next, after 0, which number is there in the 100 place? Because after 10, which is the highest place? 100. So which number is in the 100 place? 9. So where I have to write 9? Here in the 100 place, right? So let's write it. Yes. After 100, which is the highest place? 1000. So which number is there in the 1000 place here? Unit 10, 100, 1000. So 6, right? So I'll write 6 in the 1000 place. Next, after 6, we are having 10,000, right? So here unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 3 it is in the 10,000 place. So I'll write 3 here. Isn't it? Yes. So we have completed with the first number. Now we'll come to the second number. So in the same way, you have to arrange this number also here. Okay. So which is unit here? 5 or 3? 3. Always have to start from the right side. Okay. So remember this. So unit 100, unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So unit, where I had to write? Here below the 7, because here in the first number 7 it is a unit place, and the second number the 3 it is in a unit place, so it should be exactly below the 7. So here I write this 3. Next, after 3, which is the after unit, which is the highest place? 10. So which number is in the highest place? 10 place here? 1, right? So I'll write 1 here. Yes. After this, which is the highest place after 10? 100. So here, which place is in the 100 place? Unit 10, 100. So I'll write 6 here. Then after 100, which is the highest place? 1000. So which number is in the 1000 place here? Unit 10, 100, 1000. So I'll write 3 here. It should be exact below. Okay. Next one here. After 1000, which is the highest place? 10,000. So which number is in the 10,000 place here? Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So I'll write 5 here. Isn't it? How to arrange the numbers? So let's add it. So addition. So this is equal to. Okay. So always you have to start adding the numbers from the unit place. That is from your right side. Okay. So let's start it here. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is how much? Yes, it is 10, right? Very good. So how I tried then? It is 10, right? So here we are having only one place. Here there is only one place to write a single digit. You are not supposed to write 10 here, isn't it? Because you are having only a single box. So in this case, what you have to do? You have to write this number. The number which is in the right side, that is 0 here, right? So 0 I will write here, and this left number will carry over to the next place, that is to the 10th place here, isn't it? Next, come to the, we have finished with the unit place, right? After unit, now you have to come to the 10th place. Now you can see in the 10th place, you have to add all the numbers here. So here you have to add even the carry also. Okay. So 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, isn't it? So let's write 2 here. If you got the answer in the single digit, there's no problem. That we call it as a without carrying. If you get the numbers in double digit, so then we have to give the next number carry to the next place. That we call it as a with carry. Okay, so after finishing with this place, that is 10, which is the highest place after 10, that is 100. Very good. So now come to the 100 place. So we have to count the numbers which is there in the 100 place. Okay, so now 9 plus 6 is how much? Yes, it is 15, right? Yeah, very good. So how to write the 15? This is how we have to write 15, right? So this 5 should will write here, and the next number will carry over to the next place, that is to the 1000 place. Yes, isn't it? Now after 10, which is after 100, which is the highest place? 1000 is the highest place, right? So now you have to count the number which is there in the 1000 place. So let's add it. 1 plus 6 is how much? 7. 7 plus 3 is how much? 10, isn't it? So how to write the 10? Here like this, right? So 0, where I have to write the 0? Here below the 1000. And this next number, that left number, will carry over to the next place, that is to the 10,000 place. So let's write this one here. Now we have finished with the 1000. Now we are having next, which is the highest place after 1000, that is 10,000, right? So now come to the 10,000 place. So let's add all the numbers whichever is there in the 10,000 place. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is how much? That is 9. Okay, so we'll write 9 here. Yes, can you see here? So what is your answer? That is 90,520. So let's put the comma here. Where I have to put the comma? After 100. So here, right? So 90,520 is your answer. Is that clear? Yes. Now we'll move to the next one. So yes, now we have finished this first one. Now come to the second one. Can you read this number here, children? 24,596 plus 36,578. So let's add both the numbers. So already I have written that one here. You can see. So here it is there, the same example. 24,596 plus 36,578. Okay. So here you can see I have already drawn the place value chart, right? So what you have to do? Yes, you have to arrange these numbers in the place value chart. Now you only have to tell me how to arrange the numbers. Okay, just I will ask you. So yes, now you tell me we have to take which number, first or second? Very good. First number we have to take, that is 24,596. Okay, so here you have to always start arranging the numbers from the unit place. So which is our, which number is in the unit place here? 6 or 2? 6. Yes, because already you have to start from the right side, that is your unit place. Okay, so 6, it is in the unit place. So where I have to write? Here. As I told you, you have to leave this line to write the carry. Here you can see I have written the carrier, means you have to write carry here. Okay, so 6. Next, after 6, after 6, which number I have to write? 9, because 9 it is in the 10th place, right? So I'll write 9 here. After 9, which number I have to write? 5. Where? 100 or 1000? Yes, in the 100 place. So I'll write this 5 here in the 100 place. After 5, 4. 4. Where I have to write the 4? In 1000 or in the 10,000 place? In the 1000 place. So 4 I'll write here. Next, after this one, which number I have to write? 2. Where? In the 10,000 place. Very good. So let's write it here. Next, we have completed with the first number, right? Now we'll go to the second number, that is 36,578. Okay, now let's arrange this number in the place value chart. So from where we have to start? We have to start from the unit place, that is from your right side, right? So here 8, it is in a unit place, so it is exactly below this number which already we have written. So in this number, the first number, the 6, it is in the unit place. So in the second one, the 8 is in the unit place. So this 8 should exactly come below the 6. So we'll write here 8. After 8, which number I have to write? In the 10th place? 7. Very good. Next, after 7, which number I have to write in the 100 place? 5 or 6? 5. Very good, children. Next, after 5, which number I have to write? 6 or 3? 6. Where? In the 1000 place. Very good. Next, after this, which number I have to write in the 10,000? 3. Very good, children. Now let's add all these numbers. Okay. Once you arranged all the numbers, you have to start adding the numbers from which side? From the right side, that is from your unit place. Okay, so let's start adding. First, here in the unit place, 6 plus 8. So 6 plus 8 is how much? Yes, it is 14. Very good, children. 14. So 14. How I have to write the 14? Is it possible to write two digits in a single box? No, it is not possible. So what I have to do? Yes, I have to write this 4 here. No, where? Here, below the unit place. So right number will write here in the unit place, and this left number will carry over to the next place, that is to the 10 place. So let's write 1 here. Okay, so let's add all the number. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 7, that is 17, right? So how to write 17? Like this. Now, we are going to write the 17 in the 10th place. So 7 should be right here, and the 1 will carry over to the next place, that is to the 100th place. Yes, so we have added the number which are there in the unit place, and we already added the number which is in the 10th place. Now we have to go to the 100th place. So here let's add all the numbers whichever are there in the 100th place. So 1 plus 5 is how much? 6. 6 plus 5 is how much? It is 11, right? How to write the 11? Like this. So 1 will write here, and the next one will carry over to the next place, that is to the 1000 place, right? Now after this one, after we have finished with the 100 place, now we'll move to the next highest place. Which is that next highest place? 1000, right? So here, now come to the 1000 place. Let's add all the numbers whichever are there in the 1000 place. 1 plus 4 is how much? 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11, right? So how to write 11? Like this. So 1 will write here the right number, and the left number will carry over to the next place, that is to the 10,000 place. Yes. Now I have to add the number which is in the 10,000, because already we have finished with the 1000, right? So let's come to the 10,000 place. 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. 3 plus 3 is how much? 6, right? So let's write 6 here. So before reading this number, let's put the comma after 3 digit, that is after 10, 100 place. So let's read it. What is your answer? 61,174. 61,174 is your answer. Is that clear, children? Yes. Now let's move to the next one. So children, yes, we have solved the first and second one. Now let's move to the third one. Okay. So here I have written the same example. 43,374 plus 36,654. So here how we are going to solve? Without place value chart we are going to solve. Okay, if you want you can put the place value chart, then you solve it. Okay, so let's arrange the numbers. So here as it is, you have to write this number here, 43,374. Okay, next one here, the second number, how to write? So if you see here whatever we have solved, so we can see here the 7 is a unit place, and here 3 it is a unit place. So we have written 7 first here, and the 3 exactly should be below the 7, because the both are there in the unit place. So same thing we have to apply here without place value. So here 4 it should be exactly in the unit place, 5 should be in exactly 10 place, 6 100 place, 6 again 1000 place, and 3 it is in a 10,000 place. Okay, let's arrange it. 36,654. Okay, exactly should be below. Now let's start adding the numbers. Okay, so start from the unit place, that is from right side. So 4 plus 4 is how much? 4 plus 4 is 8. So I'll write 8 here. Next, 7 plus 5. How much? 7 plus 5 is 12, right? 12. How to write the 12? So this is how we write the 12, right? So the 2 will write here, and the left number will carry over to the next place, that is to the 100 place. Okay, now in the 100 we are having 3 numbers, 1 2 3, right? So let's add all these numbers. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10, right? So this is how we write the 10. So 0 will write here in the 100 place, and the 1 will carry over to the next place, that is to the 1000 place, right? So now in the 1000 we are again having 3 numbers, 1 2 3. Let's add it. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. Again 10. So 0 will write here, and the 1 will carry over to the next place. Yes. So now in the last 10,000 place we are having again 3 numbers. So let's add all these numbers. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3 is how much? 5 plus 3 is 8, right? So we'll write 8 here. Okay, now let's put the comma. Now read this number. 80,028. 80,028 is your answer. Okay, now let's move to the next one. That is to the fourth one. So here you can see here we are having 1 2 1 2 1 2 two numbers are there, and we have added all those numbers. But now here in the fourth one we are having 3 numbers. The method is same, but we need to add extra one more number to the previous 2 numbers. Okay, that's it. So 25,700 plus 2,246 plus 16,413. Here you can see this is 5-digit number, 5-digit number, this is 4-digit number. How you have to arrange? Okay, so let's arrange the number. So first we are going to take 1, 2, 3. So which number? First number, right? So that is 25,700. How you are going to arrange it? So this 0, it is in unit place. So we'll write 0 here. After 0, again 0, it is in the 10 place. After 0, the 7, it is in the 100 place. After 7, the 5, it is in the 1000 place. Next, after 5, the 2, it is in the 10 place, right? So write 2 here. Next, we have finished with the first number. Now we'll move to the second one. So 2,246. How you are going to arrange? Same thing. First you have to start, always have to start from the unit place. So 6, it is in the unit place. 4, it is in the 10 place. 2, it is in there in the 100 place. Again this 2, it is there in the 1000 place. But if you see there is no number here after 2, means here we are having only 4 digit, that is unit 10, 100, 1000, right? So no need to write anything here because we are not having any of the number in the 10,000 place here, right? So leave it as it is. Now come to the third one. So 3, where have to write 3? In the unit place, right? So we write 3 here. Then 1, 10 place. 4, 100 place. The same thing you have to write. 6, 1000 place. 1 in the 10,000 place. Here we are not having any of the numbers, so just leave it as it is. Okay, if there is no numbers, means we will consider it as a 0. So we will consider it as a 0. Okay, means it is not having any of the value here. Okay, let's start adding the number. From which side? Left or right? Yes, from the right side, that is from the unit place, right? So let's start adding. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9, right? So we'll write 9 here. Next, come to the 10 place. 0 plus 4 is how much? 4. 4 plus 1 is 5, right? Next, come to the 100 place. We have finished with the unit and 10 place. Come to the 100 place. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9, right? 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is how much? Yes, it is 13, right? So this is how we write the 13. So 3 where have to write? In the 100 place. And the next number, that is left number, will carry to the next place, that is to the 1000 place, right? So we have added in the numbers which were there in the 100 place. Now we'll come to the 1000 place. So here you can see how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's add all these numbers in the 1000 place. 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is, sorry, 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is how much? 8, right? So 8 plus 6 is how much? 14, right? So how to write the 14? So this 4 will write here, and the 1 will carry over to the next place, that is the 10,000 place, isn't it? Now let's add all these numbers from the 10,000 place. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, right? Here you can see. I'll repeat it once again. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, right? So here, what is your answer? Let's put the comma. 44,359 is your answer, isn't it? Yes. So now let's move to the last one. 25,236 plus 34,051 plus 8,368. Okay. So here you can see already I have written this number here. But what we are going to do here, just pause the video. Try to solve it by yourself without place value chart or with the place value chart. Okay, as you wish. Just check out your answer with my answer. I hope you'll do it correct. Okay, so let's pause it. So yes, children, I hope you're solved it. So here's your answer. So I have solved it without place value chart. If you want, you can do it with the same place value chart. Okay, so here what is your answer? That is 67,655 is your answer. I hope you have done it correctly. I know that children. Very good. Okay, keep it up. So children, in today's class we have solved all the problems from the second main, that is from find the sum of each of the following from exercise 2.1. Okay, so in the next video we are going to continue with the next main, that is the third main. So till then, take care of yourself, be with me, and if you think this video is really useful to you, then don't forget to like it, share with your friends, and do subscribe my channel. So till then, bye bye.